The Bachem Ba 349 Natter, grass snake, was one of the most unconventional aircraft developed during the final months of the Second World War. Conceived by German engineer Erich Bachem in August 1944, it was designed as a low-cost, vertically launched, rocket-powered interceptor capable of defending German cities against massed Allied bomber formations. Unlike conventional fighters, the Natter required no runway and was intended to be built mainly from wood by unskilled labor, conserving strategic materials. Its powerful Walter HWK 109-509, a liquid-fuel rocket engine, was assisted during launch by 4 Schmitting solid-fuel boosters, allowing the aircraft to climb to 12,000 meters in about 62 seconds. The flight profile relied heavily on automation. After a vertical launch from a 20-meter steel tower, an autopilot guided the Interceptor toward approaching bomber formations. Only during the final attack did the pilot assume control, aiming the aircraft and firing either 24-fin 73mm rockets or 28-33 or 4M 55mm rockets from nose-mounted launch tubes. Once the rockets were fired, the pilot separated the nose section, deployed recovery parachutes, and escaped with a personal parachute, while the expensive rocket engine descended separately for reuse. The nose section was expendable, making the Natter a semi-expendable aircraft rather than a suicide weapon. Development advanced rapidly after Heinrich Himmler endorsed the project despite initial rejection by the Reich Air Ministry. Wind tunnel testing confirmed stable flight characteristics up to nearly Mach 1, and numerous glider and unmanned vertical launch trials followed. Early launches exposed unreliable booster performance and stability issues, leading to enlarged control surfaces and gas-powered steering vanes for low-speed control. The only manned vertical launch occurred on March 1, 1945. Test pilot Lothar Sieber lifted off successfully, but the cockpit canopy detached shortly after launch. The aircraft climbed to approximately 1,500 meters, stalled, and crashed, killing Sieber. Investigators believe the canopy failure rendered the pilot unconscious. The accident prompted stronger canopy latches, cockpit modifications, and plans for greater automation. All subsequent launches were unmanned. By the war's end, approximately 36 Natters had been completed, with 22 launches performed during testing. 10 operational aircraft were prepared for Operation Crocus, intended to defend southern Germany from Allied bombers, but advancing Allied forces captured or destroyed them before combat deployment. No operational mission was ever flown. Today, the Ba 349 Natter remains one of aviation history's most remarkable experimental interceptors. It pioneered practical concepts of vertical rocket launch, automated guidance, and recoverable propulsion systems decades before similar technologies became common in missiles and spaceflight. Only one original Natter survives today, preserved by the Smithsonian Institution, while several full-scale replicas are displayed in aviation museums worldwide.